Who's that?
Nice.
Oh, yeah, I touch you, touch. Yay! Yay!
Where are you going? Hi. Over there? He's like,
You kind of figured Emmy might learn how to crawl today. Well, those shoes did it good, huh?
yeah.
Oh. Isn't that nice? Oh, good. She's so happy. Yeah. Yeah. Go get him! Go get him!
Coming to Grandpa.
Go get him then! Yeah, you go get him!